I'm here at Curtis Middle School for another 3 Questions with Kelly with Tennele Hankins. Intro to Manufacturing class that you started here at Curtis this year. Tell me about this class.
This class is exciting because it's different for middle school kids. They've never gotten to work with the tools that we're getting to work with our beautiful Snap-on cart through the We Build It Better program, which is out of Flightworks, Alabama. The kids, we treat the class as a job. They come in, they clock in for their bell work, they clock out when we're done learning about a concept so that we have a beginning and the end. We go through all of the same manufacturing processes from design, fabrication, to marketing by the time we're done with our semester that you would in a regular manufacturing job.
So how have the kids responded? What do they think?
Well, so far they've been really excited for all of the hands-on things that we've done. We've made Wright Brothers gliders, we've started to learn about 3D printing, and eventually we're going to be building this beautiful airplane that you have right here, learning on how to make all of the fasteners that are on there. Along the way, we're going to do some coding and a bunch of electronics.
Very cool. So, most important question and very random, is a hot dog a sandwich?
Well, the science teacher in me says I would need to see your criteria for that. The personal in me, a sandwich is only a sandwich if it has peanut butter or lunch meat on it. So a hot dog is not a sandwich.
I'm with you on that one. Well, thank you so much for all you do and the exciting things in this class.
Thank you.
Thank you.